In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your home screen layout on your iPhone. This is perfect if you've accidentally locked it and want to make changes. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and tap on Home Screen and Dock or Display and Brightness. Depending on your home screen on your iOS version. Here, if you find the option for lock home screen layout, simply toggle it off. You might see a pop-up asking you to confirm the change. Just tap confirm or OK to unlock your layout. Now that your layout is unlocked, you can rearrange your apps as you like. Just tap and hold on an app until they start to wiggle, then drag it wherever you want, just like this. And that's it. You've successfully unlocked your home screen layout on your iPhone.